Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a new note now. Open Google Keep and sign in so your items sync. Tap the plus or the Take a Note field to create a standard note, checklist, or voice note. Add a clear title and apply a color or label right away to categorize it. This first step both captures the idea and sets it up for findability. Make sure to tap the pin or reminder icons if you need it prioritized or time-based. Once you have notes, organize them with labels, colors, and pins so you can scan quickly. Edit content by tapping a note, add checkboxes for task lists, and drag items to reorder or indent. Collaborate by tapping the collaborator icon and inviting people, which keeps edits synced in real time. Use search and built-in filters to locate notes by label, reminder, or collaborator. This makes sure your collection remains actionable. To finish, share a note with collaborators or copy its content to other apps for broader use. Archive notes you want out of view but still accessible, and delete only when you're sure. Recover from trash within 7 days if needed. If syncing or updates fail, first confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, then check network connection, app permissions, available device storage, and update the app. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.